Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline business collaboration, G Suite, now known as Google Workspace, offers powerful tools to help your team work more efficiently. Today, we'll cover how to make the most of G Suite for seamless collaboration. Let's dive in. Google Drive, centralized cloud storage. Store, share, and access files in the cloud. Real-time syncing ensures that your team always has the latest versions of documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Live collaboration. Edit documents simultaneously with team members, leave comments, and track changes in real time. No more endless email attachments. Everything updates instantly. Google Meet, video conferencing made easy. Host virtual meetings with built-in screen sharing, live captions, and integrations with Calendar for seamless scheduling. Google Chat and Spaces. Organized communication. Keep conversations structured with Google Chat for direct messaging and Spaces for team discussions, making collaboration more efficient than email chains. Google Calendar, smart scheduling. Easily schedule meetings, set reminders, and sync across devices. Shared calendars help teams stay aligned on important deadlines and events. Google Workspace makes teamwork effortless, whether you're working remotely or in the office. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business productivity tips. See you in the next one.